Hey, Salesforce admins. Ever have an org that looks like this? You have all these users who never set their chatter photos. This package contains a set of flow templates to solve that problem. The first one loops through all of your users that don't have profile photos set and sends them a post, gently encouraging them to set their profile. And if that doesn't fix the problem, you can take more drastic action. This flow will set everyone's photo to help motivate them to fix it and send them a note to do so. Now your users will be super motivated to come and set their profile photos. And if you don't like the photos that we've selected, you can always install the package and change all the photos to ones that you like better. They're all stored in setup as asset files, any of which you can click on and update with the new version. All of these flows you've seen so far use the same subflow for querying which users need their profile photos set so that it's fully customizable. For example, you might want to not run this flow on some of your users. Now, after running these flows, you have your profile photo problem solved. But what about ongoing user creation? How are you going to make sure that you don't have to come back and run these in a few months? The fourth flow template in this package can warn or set the photo of a single user if they still haven't set it themselves. And we can call it from Process Builder so that as new users are created, this flow can run. And on day 3, give them a nice warning. And on day 5, set their photo for them.